In the Michael Domingues Case, report of the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights evaluated whether the United States violated an international law principle when the state of Nevada sentenced a 17-year-old to death. In 1993, 16-year-old Michael Domingues killed a woman and her 4-year-old son. Even though Domingues was only 17 at the time of his conviction the following year, Domingues was sentenced to death in Nevada State Court. Domingues appealed his case, but the Nevada Supreme Court upheld his conviction and death sentence. Domingues then appealed to the United States Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court declined to hear his case. After exhausting his appeals, Domingues filed a petition with the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, an autonomous unit of the Organization of American States which reviews allegations of human rights violations in the Americas. Domingues argued that, among other violations, the United States violated Article 1 of the American Declaration because there is a jus cogens norm that prohibits countries from executing juvenile offenders. A jus cogens norm, also called a peremptory norm, is a fundamental principle of international law. For example, prohibitions on human trafficking or genocide are considered jus cogens norms. The United States argued that it wasn't bound by any international law that would prohibit the execution of juvenile offenders. The United States also argued that the right to life that's recognized under international law doesn't apply to capital punishment for offenders who are 16 or 17 years old, as long as the offenders were given due process.